Hello friends. Welcome back. Hope so you are good by the grace of God. Today I want to show you how to make your computer local host by using wampserver. If you are a beginner of WordPress, this is best platform for practice, because it will make your computer as a local server. Let's start. Open internet browser and search for Wamp. Open first link. This is official website of wampserver. Click on download. Choose one of them with your computer requirements. On first paragraph, click on this yellow line where you can download it directly is written. Your download will start shortly. I have already downloaded. Let's install wampserver in our computer. Right click on it and click on Run as administrator. Click on Run. Select your language and click OK. Check on I accept the agreement. Read this paragraph carefully. Then click Next. Read this paragraph. And again Next. 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 And click on Install. Installation is start. It will take some moments. If want to choose an internet browser, click on Yes. And select your browser. I need Google Chrome. Go to C Drive. Program Files. Google. And Chrome. Chrome.exe. If you have installed a text editor, click on Yes and select it. I have not installed. I will leave it by default as Notepad text editor. Click on No. OK, wampserver is installed. Click on Next and Finish. Let's open it. Click on this green icon of Wamp and open localhost. Now we have no project. Our project will appear here. Let's install WordPress in wampserver. Click on phpMyAdmin. Username is root. And password is empty. Click Go. Create a new database here. Write database name here. Now click on this arrow button. Scroll down. And find UTF-8 General CI. And click on Create. Now open the internet browser. And search wordpress.org. Click on Get WordPress. I have already downloaded. Let's install WordPress. Right-click on it. Extract files. Go to C Drive. Wamp64. And select www directory. Now open C Drive. Wamp64. www and replace WordPress with your database name. Now open Google Chrome and search localhost/demo. Select language and click Continue. Let's go. Click on Installing now. I have already installed. Login. And login. WordPress dashboard is open. Visit site. This is our site. Hope so this video is also very useful for you. Like this video. And share it with others. Consider subscribing to watch more videos like this. Thank you.